The recent talks between Russia and the West to defuse their tensions have ended without any breakthrough, auguring potential tension escalations, while the North Atlantic Treaty Organization even warned of the risk of a new military conflict in Europe. The latest Russia-West engagement started with a Russia-US meeting in Geneva on Monday, followed by negotiations between Russia and the Organization for Security and Cooperation in Europe in Vienna on Wednesday, and then a NATO-Russia Council meeting in Brussels on Thursday. Pessimistic sentiments prevail after the 3 rounds of fruitless talks, as gaps on fundamental issues remain unbridgeable. Efforts have failed, NATO Secretary-General Jens Stoltenberg said after the talks ended.
We are clear-eyed about the challenges we face when we now sit down in Russia and try to find a political way forward. But the meeting was useful, and I think that especially when tensions are high, it is even more important that we meet.
However, Michel Collin, a Belgian writer of several books on NATO, maintained Russia's demands were very reasonable.
What Russia is asking is very reasonable. They ask that the West does not use the territory of a country and install military bases to threaten Russia. That's just normal, that's just peace. What would Washington say if you had Russian troops at the border of Canada, of Mexico? They would say it's a provocation. Well, that's it.
After a week of talks, the related sides were not any closer than they were before. Further talks are not currently planned. Moscow has reiterated that it is not interested in protracted discussions but wants quick results.